name is Niyati Fusion. Today I am going to show you make a volcano erupt. For this experiment we need paneer, red food coloring, vinegar, tray, sand and gravel, and a small bottle inside sand and gravel, and the bowl. And inside the bottle there is baking soda. First of all, I take a ball and put gravel and sand. Under that ball and sand gravel, I kept a small bottle with baking soda. After I took the red coloring, I opened the vinegar bottle, put the funnel inside, I opened and put it. Then I close the bottle. I close the bottle and mix it out. Now you can see it is red hot lava. Now I'm going to open the bottle. Put inside. Whoa! And watch the volcano. Whoa! Now you can see beautiful, gorgeous, right? Now it is a volcano erupt. In some mountains area, volcano erupt due to melted rock and very hot gases inside the chamber. The very hot melted rock is called lava. Thank you and have a good day.